welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, and today we're going to be doing first day of school outfit ideas. I have 4 outfits planned for today. I'm going to try them on and tell you guys a little bit about them. And you guys can vote in the comments down below on what outfit I should wear for the first day of school. For my first outfit, I have this super cute The Force is Female shirt that I got from Nike, and I'm pairing it with these dark shorts that I like because they have this waistband around it. And I'm also going to be pairing it with this super cute burgundy Justice jacket, and I also got these burgundy shoes that are also from Nike, and I think it's going to pair really well with it, so let's try them on. Number 2, I have this super cute wide-legged pants romper, and I really love it because of this back, and I love the stripes on it. And since the romper is dress code, you can either pair it with the jacket or you can pair it with the shirt. I'm choosing to pair it with my light denim jean jacket. I'm also going to be pairing this outfit with the super cute brown sandals that I got from Old Navy. Have this super cute pink tee that I got from Forever 21, and I'm pairing it with these shorts I got from Justice, which I really like. They're light wash denim shorts. And this super cute flannel that is going to go around my waist. It's just a black and white flannel I got from Target. I'm also going to be pairing them with the white leather Vans. Let's try it on. This super cute Winnie the Pooh striped top that I got from Forever 21 with my boyfriend jeans that I absolutely love, and I love the distressing. I'm going to be pairing those with my black and white Vans. Let's try it on. Let me know which one was your favorite, and also let me know what are you going to be wearing for back to school. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!